Abusua, after 18 years of her death, afei ena yehu nipa kra obreki nakoma enam no so ema odekofa abrantia ne friend Edwin ema oneno ekunya accident ewo La Nungwa Highway ahomache 130 eye ababa wa Suzzy Willams nasem ena making ne maami aba abeka nsem bebre na ensem no areho na ansana no yebekon nsem no Bomodia say Djka pay money transfer omni krama saying am I di jumedi ebro Djka pay me part also we US or Canada and our person send this car now the bagana Bomodia so be use Djka pay am I running me promo code no DJKA and no we use DJKA promo code na o send dia no wenyeska $5 now they are show at so they all send their brand Ghana no so no yenyo capre download the Djka pay app no e wo phone no so say ne fiase na e use Arawosem Suzzy Willams Akramo Ababa wa me nim time bia mebo ni di bia na wosen agome because one check Wa mi nei mi enye die beye bia intima ba onchana se my famron sanya nsio Enya sam ketu abusiafo afei and no first time I watch her channel na bomodi answer be subscribe na if you are pressing notification button for more videos me din any Djka hi Djka Nyansapo TV. Your friend mama Cecilia Willams me pacho wenye Cecilia da pa Cecilia Willams na mama na babonten abeka ensem bebre na ensem o kanso ebi areho ye nyina ye nim se 2005 8 September ahomache 130 ena yete yese La Nungwa Highway ababa wa your friend Suzzy Willams wakunya accident ewo ho na ekoye sebe arehosem ebeda oman su yie pa sanse sa time na oka actresses na omobo omo homoden after say na Grace oma abo omo ma me dokono ma beye bi konkola na omo peke edeba after Grace Nortimo na uyi ababa wa we free man na enye yie na ono style of acting in fact baby all this Suzzy betu bia no na utimi e deliver ti na yebusa nsem bebre se aden na akola keto afei na oba na ba mo wu etimi age na ede every yensem sa na enso owu a okura de ankwa entimi nye one ba mo wu cha de a otu kese na ono na gya woketo a yentimi amusa ensem bebre na course ewoni wu achi ye de share dum ni adan in fact mi angasa me nua ba na Mcbrown de ya boni tiri so yie pa Ghana fo bebre na boni tiri so a enya asem ketoa ebi kra e de Suzzy ewuo no e de ebata no e na afei na no oba e na damfo no e na nsem bebre but said the American after 18 years of her death afei ankasa e na enokre no adadie na omami ani e friend no Cecilia Willams ono na sabe na making oko number 1 FM mame fa credit ma number 1 FM sanse omo ho ene menya sa info we e de afra me so me di bi ebrel ama wo atie na mame ne ko show no so kan sem bebre se sei de emu ayedin ama ne pa sanse ne ba ne koye no ekoye nsem bebre na ose Suzzy wachi no eno hunu sedi nipa esibitie na ochiremu a na Mcbrown na ye sorry aya na ye bono edum eni adan ye twetwe ne sere ne abasa no ose ono nko ani nipa o kai se Suzzy Willams maame ye den e wo baabi ono ene kai no ebe share na funum kakra na omo na Suzzy eni omo etu sone eni omo yi movie ni ade ne de o se wanhunu obia epacho yenko na yenko tie sansemi mu kakra se nana Mcbrown ena afi kofia jololo se nipa mienu ene timi ba ne mwa omo behwehwe na kira kwan in fact ma meneka no na arehuye pa yenko na yenko tie.
So during getting to the 10th anniversary too, I called them, but nobody. It was only Nanama. Is the one who came to the house. Oh, he's going to some place, but I have to steal some short time and come. And Kofi Ajolulu.
Yeah.
and one of my uncle. Those are the people who came. We went to the grave. We went to the church, from the church to the grave. From the grave, then we came home and sit down. And later, Nana came. I said, wow, you have tried. Out of 1,000, it is only you who appear. God should bless you for me. But don't forget me. Because when Suzzy is alive, she used to come to the house. We tease, we laugh, and the rest.
Mijiri se wati wasuma sam. Na answa abusia na minim se ebra Suzzy eko ne nkra akire no. Ebra otwa nani ede hwe dan. Na yie ni mu no. Sika ni bi kodididi nkofo bi ho a maame ni kire mu a ama me kanensa. Oso wote na ampa otiye no wana so obusa nipa no nso ama nipa na nkasa besi mu ka kire ne se obi abo Suzzy Willams nsa $1,000 na sika no wo me ho ti mekwa akosesa na me di abrew osi besi ne se afei na ne nsa beka sa $1,000 na 18 years nie osi on bibia ti maame ne se in fact wadi ho ya oyi pa na yabomadi busa ne se eye nipa ben a eno osi oh Suzzy ti ase ne se nipa ne se oye ne godmother ti presenter ne koso apushi ne busa ne se hwan eno osi eye Kasum Scenari ye nyina ye nim Kasum Scenari actress yi to osi o ma no afafo no afre ne se Kasum eniema nhya da nye into wadaroma ensan na bedi wo $1,000 ne senke wo ho a wadaroma fama me na me mfa ntiti baabi a eye me hene oso o ka asape no aka chen so obeba ba bi hu no emre bi kwa de oso ofre no e ma wo ka kire ne se oh sika na kwa akodi na ade aboari ho ode ama na ade asa na ade ankosesa na omomfa emre no osi besi ne nsanka bibia na emre bi enem so hia no man 100 cedis eno eni sika ne nsa ekan yenkotie bra na o kire sa ansemi mu enso e wo number 1 FM.
I will pay. He has not paid.
To date.
Nobody. Even the money given to the one who make himself a godmother, nothing comes to me.
Someone made herself as a godmother to
yes,
your
Suzzy.
daughter.
So when I insist and say no, my husband to say no, I should allow her, she should do this. So I just relax. So we went to her father's funeral. She said, oh, I've given $1,000 to my sister to go and change her, come and give to you. We were there from 10 something to 1 a.m. There's the German lady called Rita. She said, Rita sent some $1,000 from Germany to be given to you if there is any debt. Oh, I've given it to my sister to be given to you.
Wow.
Nadia, I don't want to mention name. But nothing. She's going to change it into CD.
So some of the actresses, they stood up and said that they are the godmothers of your daughter.
Oh, yes.
So they use their names to collect money from people.
Even the person who write to say that Suzzy is this person's child, blah 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 blah, and so on and so forth, PMP or that some paper. He wrote it, Samira, and makes a lot of money. All those things, every secret, everything the child told him is out, and I was even chased.
So and the godmothers are they known? Are they known to the public?
Oh yes, I didn't bring any of the obituary distance today.
But I said, do Ghanaians know them? Are they, do we know them? Are they known to the public? Like when you mention
yes, they know it.
They are renowned people.
If I can mention her name, that was the Kasum scenario.
Okay.
That is Suzzy's godmother when he made the papers. So he told me not to worry it. If there is a debt or anything, she will help. But nothing.
And have you made a call to, or have you contacted?
I've been contacting her, calling her. Even that was her father's funeral we went. We buried Suzzy. Is it October, September? Yeah. And then the father also passed away. So we went to the house there. Then she told me that, oh, Suzzy's friend, Rita from Germany, sent some $1,000. So let me give it to you. I've given it to Nadia to go and change it into CDs and come. Rian, means nothing up to now.
$1,000 you've not received.
Nothing didn't come up to date.
And to date, as you say,
I've been calling her. I called her.
What is her response?
Oh, don't worry. I'll see. Your sister, some things are not good for you. Things are very bad. You know how things end. And now to look at me, I don't have anybody. So what do I do? The one that will help me is the one that with you,
Yeah.
and things end that way.
Yeah.
So please, you have to help. Oh, don't worry, I'll call you. I'll see you. I'll call you until I meet her at Galilea Market area there. They are going to shoot some movie. Even my son was included. And I asked her, oh, you owe me some $1,000 as you promised. So many years now. It's more than 10 years. Oh, don't worry. I'll see to it. Then he gave me 100 or 200. I should take a car. Later we'll talk. That's the end.
Abusuafo megidi se wate ni nyina. Na anso ha abusuan sa brante ya odaso yi. Se de ka na yesi kontomfi nkokro ma na wi o momrewa. Ye nyina ni roller part na o play e what things we do for love mu. Na not knowing say na ne kanchema wono na wobo eye Suzzy Willams nkwanden kakra edru anwumra. Say na abrantie abeku na oye Suzzy Willams ne boyfriend. Na maame ni kire mu a abeku na ti Suzzy Willams akoma. Emma Suzzy ekofa boy fofora enam so ma odikonya accident. That means say bi anka broken heart ne kra ma koda so ne na ade na yeden na tie ebi anka Suzzy Willams eti ase ne. Nti o say in fact abrantie na obafie obedidi na ohuno ema o se ne chese niema na omo ye de na enya asem keto akra yenkotie wa bra na maame no nso ka se abrantie a your friend abeku na what things we do for love na ne kanchema so no ene eye your friend is saying Suzzy Willams na yentie.
This is the guy we are talking about. He's the one who broke his heart and he went and picked the children. They eat together, they drink together, they everything together in my home.
So this
that
guy
is the guy. They always do it at the reservoir, at the top, the last.
Where do you see? This is a revelation about me. Mama show movie will be paying. Abeku when a Suzzy Ankasa the guy. So he broke Suzzy's heart. And Suzzy went for that Audrey guy.
Edrin.
So we thought they were colleagues. At least we did know that say the guy no. So when I will confirm movie we need not need date.
He's always in my house.
This guy.
They eat together, everything. Yes.
They do everything together. And they were acting together.
Megidi se wate wasum de ekos wo nyina. Na enu achi a program na be wiye no. Na presenter na minim se na all suggest you. Se na eye nhyew. Ba me de mimi hunu se we nka eye suggestion. Ba se de na OCB ka no se e wo se chinchin a ase de onim secret bi ene bi a on person obeka I don't know. De na all patchere. Ba me hu we ni se o person obi ko obi mwa ye ka no boko. Ba se de OCB ye ne te se ase se mitu se me ka se e wo se madam fukofi e wo so oboa me ekwan bia so e wo so oboa me da bi minim de make wo so oboa me that means say bia na wonim secret bi ba se wo pese obi kwomwa ka the best way and say e bia na na ma bia ye maami ye nyina enim se de na oni Suzzy Willams ntam etie e wo se wutimi ye den ye sro se bra ye den na be konem asanse maami ni sei nenka aye kama but obia ne kwan on faso a oka na asem eye me a come present ne sa ntimi condemn no ba se de osi bi kan ne de se de make na ase de onim bibi e na on pese obeka because so tie ne kasa ne mukra na o se me evangelist and I know what I'm saying yanko na yanko tie ba ne nyina akiri no maame na editor na na Mcbrown wanim se na daroma ne rent kra so ne rent aso asabre se eso ne se etuna onim ba bi obekọ akodaje se bia ne ba Suzzy Willams ne naso enunti na nama enko ne moa se de maame ne ka no obapa wadaroma ni eni se wo hweme a onua bema de me nso me ka ne se komaami moa boa no na se de be ya onua ne ba bi owo bia no ono nso nani ebeje maame ne so oni obia for now oso nko a eno wakasa ama ayare ho ti nana we de wadaroma komaami moa na megidi se de wo ye ma foforo no obomode komaami moa ne kra nso bɛhyira wo ɛna baabi a wo nua no wɔ bia nso no ɔno nso ɛbɛhyira wo nti nanama we de ɛsoro ne sɛ boa ɛyɛ wankasa wo nua Suzzy Willams ne maame na onya baabi na ɔmfa ne ti ɛmfa nto yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔtie asɛm a maame ne kan wɔ abra na ɔpɛ sɛ nanama Mcbrown so ɛba bɛkɔ no ɛmmoa sanse saa brady oni obi a ne rent koraa no ayɛ dɛn aso
onie ona me de na to so no sɛ wɔ sɛ obi ase wɔ nhwɛ wo a ɛwɔ sɛ every month bia no sɛ 2 million kura ɔso de ma wo yɛbɛsɛ bɛka kyerɛ no sɛ 2 million kura ɔso de ma wo wode every month bia no maame deɛ meka menka ɛnsɛ bebree nka ho babɛsɛ maame wɔ me wia bɛbɔ ne din wɔ ha ɔmfa wo sɛ de maame deɛ meka no no ɔmfa wo sɛ de maame na wɔnhyɛ wo Mama Bacho, I believe you understand what I'm saying.
Clear.
This woman,
clear.
Yes, is a. I'm giving you a vivid explanation on what I'm saying. Eh?
I know.
The lady, yeah, I know you understand what I'm saying. The lady that the name or her picture has been placed on our Facebook every month on show. Busumi biya woni sikama. On fa say dem ame. I know what I'm saying. On fa say na ade. On fa. Onye mo. Ni so su kura no invite to mra so. Na omo nya doye ma. I know why. Professor, me repeat me ho. Mami America na asabi. Mami Ghana fo nyina nim no. Ye friend na Nanama Mcbrown. Nanama Mcbrown emfa wo sede mami. Mini so bi betwa de asede no. Mini so betie. Aye de ye nen kopi September. Onfre wo ni show ni so. Na won fa wo sede na ade. Onya doye ma wo. Mama so message bi di man na catch na ye fancy de fa na matudwa. O message bi di man na catch.
Yeah, sweet Nanama Mcbrown, I know you have started something. Please continue and God will bless you. Amen. Your looks, I've been telling people much about you, the little you have done. You have promised already that you will do more. So please, the time is up. The landlord is on my neck and I have no place to lay my head. The only place is only Suzzy's grave. That is where I will lie. Maybe from there I may get somebody. So please, your promise.
Nyami shirano. Nana. Minim se nyame edo beye. Nyami shirao. Minim so beye. Nana minim so beye. Famami se wade nyina nana. Ye tia se de yenka asem bone mfa wo ye ka asem pa se maami minim kura se waye bibi ma maami no. De wa sase famami se wade nyina wate. I know. Na mami kra be di wachi. De me ka cho nyina no. Nyami shirawo. Nanama. Hwe mami ne se wade nyina wate.
Enti sana tia sa radio ha na ye di nsem ni nyina ebesi bomodi asa obe press notification button na wa subscribe to channel no se de be ya ye the videos ni bebre ba obenya bi ahwe medin ene Djka otumfo nyankopon hira Macbrown bye